Hey guys, a little something different for you. So, I love to eat grapes, table grapes. I don't care if they're green, or black, or whatever, purple. So I thought to myself, it's a real waste to have those grapevines and just toss them. So I thought to myself, well, how can I make them look like something poison ivy might have? So it was, after much thought, right, I took some green crayon and coated them. And it came out pretty good, I thought. Not perfect, but, good enough for government work. Okay, what else do I have? I'm glad you asked. So, I thought I'd get some material for ground cover. So I've used dry tea. This is an herbal mix. I sifted that with my handy little sifter. Two different kinds. Then I just went outside, took a spoon like this. I found that spoon in Fred Meyer parking lot. It's real sharp on here, so you can't really use it except for digging in the dirt. So I just went out my front door and took my can, put some dirt in there, and then I sifted it, and I got this nice fine loam. And then this is the other stuff I got, which has got a lot of perlite in it because my wife threw a plant or dumped the dirt from the plant outside. But also I got all these little cool pieces of gravel, or not, I think they're cement, and then little rocks and pieces of wood. Found this candy wrapper, be good for ground debris. And what basically you have to do with the grape stems is you tear off the little stems that are here, and then you have a more vine-like looking thing, and it's not so obviously a grape vine. So there you go. Again, just found object stuff that you can use. Oh, you like my hand? Oh, I need to moisturize. So for the Batman and Catwoman upside down, I am out.